Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how plants make a molecule of chlorophyll. This essential green pigment is crucial for photosynthesis, allowing plants to convert light into energy. The creation of chlorophyll is a complex process, involving more than 17 enzymes working in a specific pathway. All of these intricate reactions take place within the chloroplasts, the specialized organelles found in plant cells. The journey to create chlorophyll starts with a common amino acid, glutamate. From there, a crucial early intermediate called 5-aminovulinic acid, or ALA, is formed. The pathway then progresses through several steps, eventually reaching protoporphyrin Roman 9. This is a significant branching point, as the molecule can either continue towards chlorophyll synthesis or be diverted to form heme, another important biological molecule. Many enzymes orchestrate chlorophyll production. A critical step is the insertion of a magnesium atom into the molecule, catalyzed by magnesium chelatase. Later, protochlorophyllide oxidortictase plays a vital role, reducing protochlorophyllide to chlorophyllide, a reaction that requires light in angiosperms. The entire biosynthetic pathway is tightly regulated by factors like light exposure and the concentration of its end products, ensuring efficient production. The final stages involve chlorophyll synthase, which attaches a long phytol tail to chlorophyllide, completing the chlorophyll molecule. Additionally, chlorophyll can be transformed into chlorophyll B through the action of chlorophyllide oxygenase, balancing pigment levels. For more great information and deals, including a link to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.